Welcome to this course of Product Design and Value Engineering. I am Pratik Moria and in today's session we will discuss adopting generic development processes. So let us start with it. First of all, we know that every product development process has some typical steps which it has to follow, and these steps are planning, concept development, system level design, then detailed design. After that, we do prototype building or model simulation. Then we test this prototype or simulated model. We test the simulated model. Then we do revision and improvements if required, and then we go into production phase. Now, this is the typical product development process. Every product development process more or less follows these steps. But is it necessary that all the steps are required for all the processes, or is it or can we say that okay, only these steps are required, there is no need of any other extra steps? No, because we know that one size does not fit all. Different types of products have different requirements, and we need to make some changes in this generic product development process. We already know different types of product. If you do not remember, please refer lecture 1.4. We have discussed there are several types of products such as market pull products, technology push products, process intensive products, customized products, and complex products. Now all these products require some different approaches to make a product development process. So what should we change in generic product development process? We'll see one by one for all these products, and along the way you will see that all these processes are similar to our generic product development process. They are adaptations of generic product development processes. First of all, let us discuss market pull products. Now market pull products are those products which are demanded by customers, which are demanded by customers. Customers are already asking for these products. So that means that customer already knows about the product, and probably similar product is already there in the market. So if there is a similar product in the market available, so what we need to do is we are producing a product which is new to our organization but is already there in the market. There is a design of the product available in the market. These products are known as new to organization product. So in this, first we'll plan that okay, well, customers are demanding this product and we need to deliver the product. For example, mobile phones. There are many mobile phone manufacturing companies out there, but we know that mobile phone is always in demand. So a new organization, suppose Tata, decides to manufacture smartphone. Now Tata does not manufacture any types of smartphone, but there are many companies which does. So what we will do, we will evaluate existing concept. We will see that okay, how many designs are available for mobile phones, what they are doing. Then we will explore scope of innovation. We will try to find out how to improve this process. So first step is planning, then evaluating concept, existing concept, then explore scope of innovation in this existing concept. What new can be done in this existing concept? Then we try to figure out some alternative concepts and select the best appropriate concept, and on that concept we'll make system level design and then detailed design, and then we'll build prototype and model simulation will be done, and then testing will be done. If we feel that okay, there is still scope of improvement or revision is required, then we'll go back to system level design and all these steps will be followed, and then we will do production. Now all these steps are steps of generic product development process, so we are all familiar with it. But what we have done is evaluating existing concept. If suppose that customers are demanding a product which is not there in the market, so it is a fundamentally new design, there is not any product available in the market. So then what we'll need to do is we'll need to develop a concept, and this process will be similar to our generic product development process. So this is how the product development process for market pull product will work. If we are talking about technology push products means there is a technology available in the market, but no one is using that technology to manufacture any specific product. So we have technology, but product is not there. So what will be the product development process for this technology push products? First of all, the first step is obviously planning. This will be constant in all the processes. Planning is must. Then we'll develop some concept using specific technology for which we are manufacturing product, or the technology which is newly available. For example, someone discovered that okay, these electromagnetic waves can be used to generate heat, so that is technology. That electromagnetic wave are useful for generating heat, and someone thought that okay, from this technology I can build a device or a product which can be used to cook, that is microwave oven. So this is how technology driven products, technology push products works. After the concept is developed, then the following steps are similar to our product design steps, that is system level design, then detailed design, then prototype or model simulation, then prototype and model testing. Then as these are fundamentally new product, we have to do field trial first, because no one has seen this technology, no one knows about this technology, so we are not sure that this will work as we expected. So what we will do is we will send some product to customers and take reviews from them also. And if they feel that there is some chances of improvements or we need to make some revisions, then again we will go back to system level design and the process will be followed. If customers are happy, then we can move on to production. So this is what changes we need to make in our generic product development process. This is how we adapt generic product development process for technology push products. Now there will be some products will be process intensive products. What do we mean by process intensive products? These types of products are manufactured with some kind of processes. They are not manufactured with different parts, and assembly will not be there. There will be many processes. For example, pharmaceutical processes. Most of the drugs will be process intensive products, because we are not assembling drugs. We are not making one component of a pill or another component of pill and assembling together. What we are doing is we are going through some process, we are heating some material, we are making some chemical reactions, all these are process, and then we get our final product. So how to develop this process intensive product? For that, after planning and evaluating existing concept that okay, how to manufacture this product, so we will need some raw material, we need some heat treatment, we need some mixing, we need some hydration and dehydration processes. Okay, all this will be uh, evaluated in here. So what is the current concept and why this will be existing concept? Because we see that this is a new to organization product. If this is a fundamentally new product, then we have to develop the concept. But if it is existing concept in the market and new to our organization, then we can take this concept. Then after evaluating this concept, we thought about evaluating alternative processes from manufacturer. So we thought, okay, these are the concepts that are already in the mass market. How to improve this concept? What are the alternative to manufacture the same product? Then we select the best process. And after the best process is selected, as these are products which are mainly drugs or FMCG, we need to go for laboratory trials. We do some trials in labs to make sure that our product is okay and the constitutions of the products are as we have planned, and it does not have any side effect. Once the laboratory trials and laboratory testing of product is finished, we do field trials. Field trials make sure that our laboratory testing or laboratory trials are uh, true and it does not have any variations. After field trials, revision and improvements if necessary are done, and if not, then we will go in production phase. Another is customized products. Now this is very important to understand that customized products will have a different process than the general mass produced products, because during customized products we do not have budget for a large scale testing. So in customized products what we are doing is, if a customer says that okay, I need specific this specification for a product, I need specific this changes in the product. For example, you want to make a customized bike, so you go to a bike manufacturer who produces customized bike, and you say that okay, I need this type of bike. You have some idea about the design, then you will do planning. The organization will do planning. They will evaluate the desired changes in existing design. If the design is modifiable or not, if there is any other changes that needs to be done or not, this all will be checked. Then detailed design modification will be done, in which we changes material, change some dimensions if required, etc. Then after that we build a prototype or we do model simulation. Mostly we do model simulation because prototype building will be very much costly for customized product. And after model simulation we do testing, and if it seems okay, then we go for production. And there can be complex products which will have so many systems, so many parts in that. So these products have some different variation of generalized or typical product development process. What we'll do is we'll go to planning and concept development and system level design as in generic product development process. But after system level design, while we are going for detailed design, we cannot design the entire product in one go, because there will be hundreds or thousands of parts, and there will be tens or hundreds of different systems like mechanical system, electrical system, air circulation systems, heat transfer systems, and there can be water transmission systems, etc. For example, if we talk about an aeroplane, then it is a complex product. An aeroplane will have aerodynamic systems, it will have heat transfer systems, it will have water circulation system, it will have air circulation system, it will have a pressure regulating system, it will have a mechanical system, etc. It will have an electrical system, it will have an aeroplane control system. There will be so many systems, and all these systems cannot be designed in a single go. So all these systems will be separated, and detailed design of each and every system and testing of each and every system will be done separately. And after all these systems are designed, we will integrate the system and test it again, and then after we will validate our product, and then we will go for production. So complex products will simply uh, designing for each system separately and then integrating it for production. Okay, so this will be all and it will be end of the session.